Hey, can you see through that? How are you walking with that over your head? Now turn around and go in the office. I don't know, but I guess those are see-through. Okay, now turn around and come to Mommy. Come out of the office. Go into Mommy's room. Go into Mommy's room. Go into Mommy's room. Go into Mommy's room. Can you see through that? You have to be able to see through that. Olivia. Okay. Now take it off. Take it off. And leave it in Mommy's closet.
What? No.
All right, well, we're going to leave without you then. Bye.